There's an interesting story on Mark Cuban and how you got him involved with the company. Is that right?
Yeah. So during the pandemic, when the idea first struck me, I thought, hey, we got to get somebody big involved. We have to make a difference, and the difference has to be kind of quick because the pandemic was storming on and small businesses were suffering. So we quickly put together a deck. I sent them a nice one-line pitch with the deck. And that's really what it takes to really get to him. He's very open to email. We shot him a note. We got to talking. Within 72 hours, Mark said, let's go do this thing. We got to building in May, and by mid-July, he said, let's go tweet about this thing, and that really took off for Cultivate.
So cold email, one-line pitch when you attach the deck, that, you know, like he takes attachments, doesn't go to some spam, you know, like that's what it was?
That's all it took, really. It's a Gmail, right? So he knows if it's a virus or not. So the Google slide deck, not a PowerPoint PDF deck, went through cleanly. He opened it, and literally within an hour, I heard back.
Wow, that's awesome. Hi, I'm Alex. Thanks for watching the show. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, but even better, make sure to follow us on Odyssey, follow us on Rumble, and text us 203-646-5159. Text the word Monopoly. You'll be subscribed. You'll get updates about when we're going live, our latest videos, and we'll send you even a little goodie bag. And in the event that we all get banned from big tech, we'll still be connected.